What's up, guys? In this video I'll be showing you guys how to get 100 USDT bonus for futures trading, because I just got mine right now, as you can see, claimed, and this is the email I received. Okay, your 100 USDT futures bonus pro is now available, so you can get yours. Okay, so this 100 USDT, you can use it to trade futures, and whatever profit you make from it, you can withdraw it. Okay, so now for those of you that don't know how to trade futures, don't worry, I got your back. I'm gonna show you how to do that. I'll make a video tutorial simply because of you, so you'll be able to trade and make profit. Okay, so all you have to do is to make sure you register through the link below. You're going to see the registration link, so make sure you use the link to register. Okay, that's my link, so you'll be able to get access to this video tutorial for free. Okay, so we are definitely going to use this 100 USDT to trade, and we are definitely going to make profit, guaranteed, and we are going to withdraw the profit, guaranteed. Okay, so I have claimed the 100 USDT. All right, so in order for you to get yours, don't forget you have to register with the link below, and you log in. Make sure you verify your account. Okay, very important. After your registration, verify with a valid ID, your driver's license, international passport, or NIN. So click on 100 million bonus pro, and it will take you to this page. So scroll down below and click on claim. Right after claiming, the next thing is to transfer it to your futures account. So I'm going to click on transfer right now. Okay, contract trading is a high risk trading practice, we know that. Okay, but if you know what you're doing, you can make profit with it. So I'm going to click on confirm right now. Okay, so okay, futures bonus, as you can see, the bonus is already there. Okay, the 100 USDT is already on my futures account, so all I just have to do is to trade with it. So let's see how much you can make with this $100. Maybe we can make $200, $500, $1,000 with it. Okay, so let's go. So what's this time remaining until the end of the event? So it's remaining 46 days, 18 hours. Okay, 46 days. So after 46 days, this opportunity will be gone, so it's limited. So make sure you register now, verify your account, and let's go. Stay tuned for the video tutorial. All right, so immediately after your registration and your verification, once you get your 100 USDT, don't forget to message me. Okay, so you're gonna see my contact in the description box, or you join my groups. All right, so let's do this, guys. Let's do this. It's time to make money trading futures with free money. Okay, because this is free money. All right, so that's it. Okay, make sure you subscribe if you're here to subscribe, and make sure you like, and if you have any comment, drop them in the comment section. Okay, see you guys. Stay tuned for the video tutorial on how to trade futures using this free 100 USDT while we make profit. Bye. See you in the next one. Until next time, peace out.